How do I transfer Family Manager rights to another user on PS4?
Hello everyone. Today we're going to tackle a common question among PlayStation 4 users. How do I transfer Family Manager rights to another user on my PS4? This step-by-step tutorial will guide you through the process to ensure you can do it smoothly and accurately.
What is a Family Manager on PS4?
The Family Manager is the primary user account on the PlayStation 4. It has full control over the console and can manage other user accounts, parental controls, and system settings. If you're currently the Family Manager but need to pass these responsibilities to another user, keep watching.
Is the new Family Manager an adult account?
Before proceeding, make sure the new Family Manager has an adult account. Family Manager rights can only be transferred to adult accounts for security purposes. If they have a child account, you'll need to upgrade it to an adult account first.
Transferring Family Manager rights.
Now let's dive into the actual process. Here are the steps to transfer the Family Manager rights. 1. Sign in to your PS4 as the current Family Manager. You need to have Family Manager rights to make this change. 2. Go to Settings from the main menu. 3. Scroll down and select Parental Controls, Family Management. 4. Under Family Management, select Family Members. 5. Select the user to whom you want to transfer the Family Manager rights. 6. Finally, select the Delegate Family Manager Rights option. Please note that this will transfer all Family Manager rights to the selected user, and you will no longer have these privileges. And that's it. Now you know how to transfer Family Manager rights to another user on your PS4. It's a relatively straightforward process once you know where to look. As always, if you found this video helpful, remember to like, share, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Thanks for watching, and happy gaming!